Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about EOS and what has been happening to its market. Let's jump right into the charts, guys. So EOS, like many of the cryptocurrencies out there today, has been taking a lot of pains. I mean, EOS was sitting like $15 ish. Now it is at $1.18. Now this is a very good pullback for a short position, guys, because I do see this cryptocurrency breaking its current support that's about to hit and heading down lower. So if you guys do see differently, guys, just let me know in the comments below, seeing if you guys are planning on hodling or doing another buy position. But I do see that this cryptocurrency is going to head down even lower than it currently is, because like we're in this trend of everything being basically cleaned out, and cryptos today are a lot of them are pretty much just used for hodling or just for making money, and not really intended for their service. But this is another conversation. But when it comes to EOS, I do see it hitting this the next week or two, hopefully, or 3 weeks, and that's going to be basically about, let's say, 90 cents. So my price prediction is 90 cents. It possibly would do one of two things if I'm correct on that. It'll hit this zone and either continue to hit down to the 50 cents zone down here, or possibly do another pullback, like a slight one, not as dramatic as this earlier previous one, and then head down lower. So the advantage you be taking of entering in market as a short position or selling position, like on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or with Coinbase, short the position, have a target profit at like 90 cents. And then when it bounces, or if it does bounce, you can lock in that secondary trade. So if it knocks out a trade, you have a like another sell order coming in right here, short that next position to head down lower. So when EOS hits 55 cents possibly, then it can be a very large gain. Because I think a lot of people are going to think about being buying, but I think the buys are going to get pushed out by the shorts and the selling positions once it gets down to this level. And that's where I see EOS going down to 50 cents overall, but the first price we got to hit is about 90 cents, guys. Now, this is just taking it out of like a long-term perspective. We're looking at the weekly, so this is going to have some swap fees, some daily fees if you guys are going to pay that. But understand that I think the overall gain will be greater than we do paying the daily fees and stuff. But let me get into some of the details when it comes to EOS. Now, EOS is ranked number 43, 391,000 people's watch list, $1.18 billion market cap. Now, this thing has been taking some pains, man. Like 10.88% down last 24 hours. That's pretty significant. I mean, a lot of people are going to be like trying to buy the dip. Now, I'm not a big proponent on hodling. I think the majority of it is losing. There's a lot of people. I don't think a lot of people have taken profits. If you're taking profits on EOS, just let me know in the comments below. Maybe I'm wrong. Just let me know. But guys, let's get into some of the details. Check out the eosnetwork.com if you want to see more about this cryptocurrency and actually learn more about it. Like this, as of September 21st, 2022, EOS achieves full independence through committed to empower people for better tomorrow. We are proud to bring our collaborative approach and technical expert to reach this milestone. So if you want to learn more about this stuff, go ahead. I always read about details about crypto. Maybe they have something big that makes it a big buying point. But for me, usually when I see the directions like on the weekly and the monthly, it typically tends to do that until a big, substantial green bar or another bar reverses it. But check out their Twitter. They got 20K followers on there, so it's doing pretty good, more than me. But other than that, guys, go to my website. Now, I'm on the programming part of my website, guys. I really want to show people who are looking at programming or creating your own indicators or EAs. Check that out. There's a bunch of free information. I haven't finished all of it though, but a lot of it is getting done as I create this stuff. Okay, so just hang in there. I will be adding some changing the new layout of the indicators, adding some better way of looking at the indicators. So hang in there, guys. But other than that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.